In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status of a workflow rule in Zoho CRM. If you need to quickly enable or disable an automation inside your CRM, this is a simple process once you know where to look. Changing the status of a workflow rule is useful when you want to temporarily pause an automation, test changes safely, or turn a rule back on after updates have been completed. The good news is that Zoho CRM gives you a very direct way to do this from the setup area. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're fully logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. This helps avoid making changes in the wrong workspace. Next, click on Setup. You'll usually find this in the upper right area of the screen. The Setup section is where Zoho CRM keeps its configuration and automation tools, so this is the place you'll go anytime you need to manage workflow behavior. After you enter Setup, look for Workflow Rules and open it. Depending on your layout, you may need to use the search bar inside Setup to find it faster. If you type in Workflow Rule, Zoho CRM should bring up the correct option, and then you can click it to open the list of existing workflow rules. This is especially helpful if your account includes a lot of settings and menu categories. Once you're inside the workflow rules area, find the specific workflow rule you want to manage and click it. When the rule opens, look over to the right side of the screen. Under the Status section, you'll see a toggle that lets you switch the workflow on or off. If the toggle is turned on, that means the workflow rule is active and currently running when its conditions are met. If you switch it off, the rule becomes inactive and will stop triggering. If you want to reactivate it later, simply return to the same area and toggle it back on. As a quick tip, before disabling a workflow, it's a good idea to make sure no important automation depends on it, especially if it sends emails, updates records, or creates tasks for your team. Even though the action itself is simple, it can affect your daily processes, and that's how to change the status of a workflow rule in Zoho CRM.